Assalamu alaikum. I am Chandra Kumar. Today, I am going to discuss these vocabulary words. Okay. So I am going to discuss these vocabulary words and try to use these words in a proper manner. Especially, I will tell you. Okay. Before start the sessions, if you didn't do subscribe YouTube channel, do subscribe, like, comment, and especially share. So first we start from especially what we have is especially absolve. If we talk about the meaning of this word absolve, means something that could be something that something that could have become very bad, means something that could be a crime, like in that manner we want to just like to absolve, to give pardon, or in that condition we can use absolve means maaf karna. If we talk about the similar meanings of the absolve, so just like pardon, or you can say other word, you can say apology be asa niki chesunda absolve. Other word we have is abstain means to prohibit or to say something or to stay away from something. In that condition we can use abstain. मन परहेज करण की abstain. Refrain without withhold from participations, and in that manner we can use abstain means prohibition. To abstain from smoking, that's good. You can use this and this word in this manner. Okay. Other word we have is optimus. यह word जो पया especially MOUS जो sense शायद that could become a adjective. Okay, ही ताकि मुँह sense बताए. MOUS OUS sorry है वो शायद that would become especially adjective. Okay. Optimus means staying in eating and drinking. Temperate means something that could be a refrain. In that condition we can use optimus. मन परहेजगार कंदड़ चाव दो abstain ऐसा दो ना. Okay. Optimus is good for health. Okay, in that condition you can use abstinence. Other word we have is abstinence. मूँ तक स्पेशल अगेन टर्मोलॉजी अग में पाण वोकेबल टर्मोलॉजी मुकमल करी चुकी है. अगर वो टर्म तव्हां नहीं याद लेक्चर ॾिठो त ज़रूरु तव्हां लेक्चर ॾिसजो. उन लेक्चर ॾिसण खां पोइ बि स्पेशली तव्हांखे समझ में सही अची वेंदो. जंहिं वर्ड जे पोयां अचे था मीन्स हैविंग नेगेटिव मीन्स असां जेके वर्ड ॾिसो absolve, abstain, abstemious, एंड योर लास्ट वर्ड स्पेशली सेकंड वर्ड आहे फोर्थ वर्ड आहे abstinence मीन्स परहेज करण मीन्स स्टैंड फ्रॉम pleasant things or euphonic things. We can say eating or drinking or something. Abstention or act of abstaining from food. In that condition we can use abstinence. जे वर्ड जो पोयां ENCRO सेंस अचे चाहे that would becomes noun. ही ताकि हम ग्रीक टर्मिनोलॉजी जा कुछ मेथड ॿुधाइनि जी मिसाल रेफरेंस चाहे नाउन प्रेफरेंस चाहे नाउन. जे वर्ड जो पोयां ENCE अचे that would become noun. Okay. ॿियो वर्ड आहे abstract मीन्स ख़्याल या मजद करण. abstract मीन्स theoretical not concrete or non-representational. Means something that could be imaginative, that could be like ideal. In that condition we can say abstract to write down abstract in research paper, that's good. Okay, in that manner you can use abstract. Okay. Other word we have is abstress. If we talk about the meaning of this word abstress means something that's not to be very bad, sorry, something that should be very bad, and we can say it takes much time to understand. Means abstress means not able to be trusted. In that condition we can use abstress. Okay. Obscure or profound, another word is difficult to understand, means something that's complicated. Means abstract things are very difficult to understand. Abstress means दुखी या जैसे ट्रस्ट न कजे. Other word we have is abuse means to say something that's abuse. But here word is abusive. Okay, in participle speech we call this one as adjective. A word which contains is a tiv or something iv we call adjective. Like actor is adjective. Detective is adjective. Informative is adjective. So that's why this one is adjective. Okay. cursory, insulting, and physically harmful. Means to say something that's very bad, to degrade something, or to, in that condition we can use abuse. Especially child abuse is a complex issues. You can use this one. Okay. एनजी मीनिंग आए स्पेशली अब्यूज़ माने कंहिंखे गारियूं वग़ैरह ॾियणु। ॿियो वर्ड आहे अबट। अबट मीन्स मिलणु कंहिं सां गॾु उनखे अबट चवंदासीं। बॉर्डर अपॉन और एडजॉन। अबट इज़ अ समथिंग टू हैव। In that condition you can use. Other word we have is abysmal. Abysmal means bottom place, means something that's deep. In that condition it's abysmal. The ocean is abysmal. The ocean is abysmal. You can use in this manner. The Indian Ocean, that is abyssal. Especially in that particular manner you can use abyss. Abyss means very deep. Okay, in that manner we can use abyssal. Abyssive खां पोइ ॿियो वर्ड आहे स्पेशली पाण वटि। अदर वर्ड वी हैव इज़ अकेड अबेस। सॉरी, ॿियो वर्ड आहे हीअ आहे अबेस। अबेस मीन्स इनॉर्मस चेज वेस्ट बॉटम, माना स्पेशली गहरो उनखे चवंदासीं अबेस। ओके, अबेस इज़ अ समथिंग मैटर। इन दैट कंडीशन यू कैन यूज। Other word we have is academic. If you talk about the meaning of this word academic, means something related to the academy. Academic, he chai Greek word. Jai word jipa MICHI means this. That's noun, but it's a Greek word. It's a Latin or Greek. He chai, these are borrowed words. Just like dynamic, MIC, this is noun. It's like physics, IC, it's noun. Just like you can find out many kinds of words, IC. These are special ones. Okay. Related to school, not practical or directly useful. Academy year. The academy year, all education institutions center will start in July in this year. Okay, in this manner you can use academic. Other word we have is accede. Accede means to agree, to concur. In that manner we can use accede. This agreement has been acceded to resolve the matter. In that manner we can use accede. Accede means इत्फाक दिया या राज़ी दिया। ॿियो वर्ड आहे पाण वटि accelerate. Accelerate means move faster, make accelerate, make something we can say hurry or something that in acceleration. If we talk about the especially this is a verb, but if you talk about the noun of this verb, then it becomes acceleration. Acceleration means noun. Okay, unji मान थींदी तेजी। Other word we have is accessible. Accessible means something that could be easy to access, easy to get it, easy to access. That's called accessible. A word which contain able means that's the adverb. Okay, able, like laughable, like laudable, like these are basically adverb. Okay, easy to approach or obtain means internet network that should be easy to accessible for everyone. In that manner you can use accessible. We would accessory means something additional, something extra. In that manner we can use obsession. Okay, you can use obsession. Okay, obsession means additional, something that's especially in a manner something which I extra मुझे उनकी चाहिए दोस्तों obsession. Sorry, accessory. Accessory is good thing for especially business purpose. We have acclaim. Acclaim is to claim, to praise something. In that manner we can use acclaim. ही ॿिया काफ़ी वर्ड्स तव्हांखे सेंटेंस में भी इस्तेमालु थियल मिलियल आहिनि। अक्लेम मीन्स दावा करणु, स्पेशली कहिड़े सेंस में, प्रेज जे सेंस में, ओके अक्लेम चवंदासीं। अक्लेम ओके मीन्स टू praise or we can say that other word is laud. Acclaim is good for youth. In that manner you can use. Other word is we have is acclimate. So the climate means something that's could become we can say that climate means something that could become अब आ जाएंगे 5 आज जब चाहे नेगेटिव अब क्लाइमेट मीन्स क्लाइमेट चाहे लिखियो उनमें एडजस्ट करने की जरूरत है मीन्स एडजस्ट टू क्लाइमेट और एनवायरमेंट एडाप्ट इन दैट मैनर वी कैन यूज क्लाइमेट माने एडो क्लाइमेट जो छा नेचुरल न हो सॉरी नेचुरल हो पर उनमें कुछ चेंजिंग वगैरह हो उन्हें क्लाइमेट में एडजस्ट थियण का कोशिश करने चाहिए और क्लाइमेट ड्यूरिंग पेंडेमिक इट वाज acclimated for everyone to adjust in a particular area. In that manner we can use acclimate. Other word we have acclivity. Acclivity means something that could go sharp and hill or declivity. We can call acclivity. Acclivity is the way to go. Other word we have acclode. If we talk about the meaning of this word, means to praise. A word of means is a strong praise and approval. In that manner we can use acclode. Acclode of any parliament. That's good. That's something. In that manner we use acclode. We want to accommodate. Accommodate means to give, to allocate, to give something. In that manner we can use accommodate. Okay. For example, if we talk about the special meaning of this word, accommodate means जगह वगैरह देना चाहिए. Accommodate, obligate or help someone to adjust or to bring. In that manner we can use especially accommodate. Accommodate is good thing for us. So accommodate to this is the adjective. Accommodate to accommodating हिचाई and especially informal. अच्छा ही पार्टनर भी वर्ड है कंप्लाइंस मीन्स समथिंग दैट इज पार्टनर इन क्राइम अकम्प्लाइंस मीन्स जुर्म जो साथी हो जाए उनके अकम्प्लाइंस अकम्प्लाइंस इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स मैटर इन अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया बिकॉज दिस अकम्प्लाइंस मैटर इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू इन्वेस्टिगेट. ओके अदर वर्ड वी हैव इज अकॉर्ड मीन्स टू अग्रीमेंट ॾिसो हाणे जंहिं वटि जी पोयां MENT जा छा आहे दैट वुड कम्स नाउन अग्रीमेंट आहे स्पेशल छा आहे दिस इज़ अग्रीमेंट माने स्पेशल इतफाक़ वग़ैरह उनखे चवंदा आहिनि अग्रीमेंट. पैक्ट भी चई सघो था अग्रीमेंट और पैक्ट आल्सो मीन्स अकॉर्ड. ओके इन दैट मैनर वी कैन यूज़ अकॉर्ड. ओके ॿियो वर्ड आहे अकोस्ट मीन्स कंहिं सां गॾु कुझु चवणु घुरिजे. अप्रोच एंड स्पीक फर्स्ट टू ए पर्सन अॻिते वधी कंहिंखे कुझु चवणु घुरिजे अकोस्ट. स्पेशली यूथ दे ट्राई टू अकोस्ट फर्स्ट. इन दैट मैनर वी कैन यूज़ अकोस्ट मीन्स टू मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड टू स्पीक टू अ फर्स्ट पर्सन. अदर वर्ड वी हैज़ अकाउंटर मीन्स टू सामान वगैरह के बंद के स्पेशल बंद करण के अकाउंटर. ओके अकाउंटर इज गुड अकाउंटर इज गुड ऑन टाइम फॉर एवरीवन. ओके ॿियो वर्ड है क्रिएशन मीन्स नमूनो इजाफो मीन्स टू इंक्रीज टू सरपास वी कैन कॉल सरपास आल्सो मीन्स अकोस्ट. क्रिएशन में छा चवंदासीं पाण सरपास्ट भी चई सघूं था. ओके ॿियो वर्ड है स्पेशली अक्रू मीन्स टू गेट आर एक्सेस आल्सो नोस अक्रू मीन्स कम टू गेट गेन अक्यूमुलेट के पाण अक्रू खां ठहियल आहे. अक्यूमुलेट्स असेंबल दैट्स आल्सो नोन अक्यूमुलेट. असेंबल गैदर आल्सो नोन अक्यूमुलेट ही वर्ड आहे हिन जी माना आहे गॾिजणु. ओके accrue is good to access on time especially. Other word we have acerbity means something that's better to speak. Betterness we can call acerbity. Acerbity is a acid that's very bad. Using acerbity language that's very bad. In that manner you can use acerbity. Acerbity means that's something that's very bad. Something that having bitterness we call acidity, means जंहिंमें कड़ाण हुजे, जंहिंमें छा absurdity हुजे, जंहिंमें छा ludicrous हुजे, उनखे छा acidity. Last word we have is acidic. Acidic means vinegary, means something that could be tarash, that could be just like vinegar. We call simple surko. Taking vinegar, especially in hot season, that's good for health. As acidic things, acidic product is beneficial for us during a hot season. Other we can say acidic product that these provides acidic products. These provide us vitamin C. Okay, just like lemon, we call citric acid. These are acidic product. I hope this lecture will be more helpful for you, and please do subscribe, like, comment, and share.